For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Recently, the Indian government banned several Chinese apps, including the file-sharing app ShareIt, along with TikTok and many more. The Indian government had banned Chinese applications after the violent face-off at the Galwan Valley on June 5th. Several Chinese apps were subject to scrutiny and they were banned from the Play Store and Apple App Store. In the backdrop of the ban on ShareIt and many more, a teenager from Kashmir has developed an alternative to one of the Chinese apps. The teenager, identified as Ashfaq Mahmood Chowdhury, has developed an app called Dodo Drop to share files just like the Chinese app did. It took him nearly 4 weeks to develop Dodo Drop, which is another alternative to ShareIt. The app was launched on August 1st this year on Play Store and other app stores. After the ban on the apps, Ashfaq wanted to develop a file-sharing app and hence he endured the developmental process only to release the Dodo Drop. The Dodo Drop application has a transfer rate of up to 480 Mbps, which is faster than the ShareIt app and is quite easy to use.
इस ऐप को डेवलप करने के लिए मुझे 4 वीक्स का टाइम लगा। इंडियन गवर्नमेंट के ऐप्स के बैन करने के बाद मैंने डायरेक्ट इसकी डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट कर दी थी। इस ऐप को बनाते वक्त मुझे डिफ़िकल्टी फेस हुई थी, बट इंडिया को एक अल्टरनेटिव चाहिए था ShareIt ऐप का, इसलिए मैंने बनाया।
Users can transfer data comprising photos, videos, audios, apps, texts, and more between two devices with no internet access. The file transfers are fully encrypted and secure. The concept of Ashfaq was to develop an app which is fast, reliable, and easy to use. He also said that the app is highly reliable and the users can use it hassle-free.
यूज़र्स जो हैं वो ऑडियोज़, वीडियोज़, फ़ोटोज़, इमेजेस, ऐप्स और इवन टेक्स्ट भी ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं, और सभी ट्रांसफ़र्स जो हैं वो 256 बिट इनक्रिप्टेड वायरलेस नेटवर्क पे काम करते हैं, तो इसलिए सभी जो ट्रांसफ़र्स हैं वो बिल्कुल सिक्योर हैं। और जो ट्रांसफ़र स्पीड है वो 480 मेगाबिट्स पर सेकंड तक है। इसकी स्पीड और रिलायबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है। तो इस ऐप को बनाते समय जो मेरा मेन फोकस था वो था कि मैं स्पीड, रिलायबिलिटी और इजी टू यूज़ ये सब फीचर्स जो हैं ये कॉम्पैक्ट साइज पे डालूं।
Well, Ashfaq's innovation in his latest app also garnered some reactions on Twitter. A very young and talented boy from Rajouri, namely Ashfaq Mahmood Chowdhury, has developed a file-sharing Android app, namely Dodo Drop. It is an alternative to the Chinese ShareIt app, which was banned by the government. It has a transfer rate of 480 Mbps and is quite easy to use. The ban on Chinese apps has certainly opened doors of opportunity for Indian developers. Ashfaq Mahmood Chowdhury is certainly inspiring and contributing to realizing PM Modi's Make in India dream.